How to reset age verification on Roblox. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you can simply open up Roblox application, or if you don't have the app, open up your browser. In the search bar, search for roblox.com and then log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on the square-like icon and then select Settings. Inside Settings, simply tap on Account Info. Scroll down until you see Personal tab. Inside here, you will be able to find an option that says Reset Age Verification. If you don't see that option, you might see options like Check Your Age to get more features. You will be able to find two options, Continue with Camera or Continue with your ID. So when you tap onto it, you will see what are needed to verify your birth date. Keep in mind, you can only reset this once. You will lose any feature from your previous verification. Simply tap on Continue to confirm and just like that, verify your age again. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the verification process, and for best results, you can use good lighting and a clear camera. And that's it, your verification has now been reset. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.